In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open files in Excel. First, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This opens the main file browsing window in Windows. In the left sidebar, click Documents. Now look through your Documents folder and find the Excel file you want to open. Once you see the file, double-click it. Excel will launch automatically, and the workbook will open right away. After that, close the workbook by clicking the X in the top right corner of the window, so you're ready for the next method. Now open Excel from the Start menu. Click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner. Type Excel, and then press Enter. When the Excel Start screen appears, click Blank Workbook. This takes you into the main Excel window. From here, click the File tab in the top left corner. That opens the Backstage view, which is where Excel handles opening and saving files. In the left menu, click Open. On the right side, click Browse. A file picker window will appear. In that window, click Documents in the left sidebar. Now click the file named Budget Q1.xlsx. With the file selected, click Open in the bottom right corner of the file picker. The workbook opens in Excel. Then close it again by clicking the X on the Workbook tab, or return to a blank workbook, so you're set for the third method. For the last method, keep Excel open and press Ctrl plus O on your keyboard. This opens the Open page instantly. It's the same open page you can reach through File. Then Open. At the top of the location list, click Recent if it is not already selected. Under Workbooks, you'll see files you opened recently. These are grouped by sections like Today and This Week, which makes recent files easier to find. Click any file in the recent list. Excel opens that workbook immediately, without needing to browse through folders. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, Excel is open with your selected workbook visible, and you've now used all three ways to do it. Opening a file by double-clicking it in File Explorer, using File, then Open, then Browse inside Excel, and using Ctrl plus O to open a file from the recent list.